Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can check your video credit card balance. It's very easy to do, just follow these steps how I can do it. For this, first what you have to do, open a browser from your desktop. Now how I can check my video credit balance card. After searching it, you will see an option quick inquiry here. Just click on it. Then what you have to do, you have to just enter your card number here, then your date of birth and your card expiration date, and put a check mark on this, and just write the captcha and select submit, and it will show your card details, right? And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.